Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to pin a chat on Telegram in just a few quick steps. Whether you want to keep an important conversation at the top or simply avoid scrolling through dozens of messages, pinning a chat is the perfect way to stay organized. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can do this on your phone, tablet, or even desktop. It works the same across all of them. Once you're in, take a quick look through your chat list. You'll see all your conversations here, ordered by the most recent activity. Next, find the chat you want to pin. It could be a personal chat with a friend, a work group, or a channel you follow. Once you've found it, tap and hold on that chat. Hold it down just long enough until a few options appear on your screen. Now look to the top of the screen. You'll notice 3 dots usually on the right-hand side. Go ahead and tap on those dots to open a small menu. From there, select the option labeled Pin. The moment you tap Pin, that chat will immediately move to the top of your chat list. You can pin multiple chats this way. Telegram allows you to keep several at the top for quick access. And don't worry, you can unpin them anytime by repeating the same steps and choosing Unpin. Pinned chats stay exactly where you put them, no matter how many new messages arrive from others. This helps keep your most important conversations accessible and easy to find, especially if you're managing a busy Telegram account. That's all it takes. Open Telegram, find your chat, tap and hold, hit the 3 dots, and select Pin. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to try it out right now and see how it helps keep your chats organized. Once you start using pinned chats, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them.